Do we have any heavy-duty spray adhesive?
Ooh Ooh Aaah Aaah. Ape Out. Ape Out.
Yep.
I don't even know what Ape Out is. Yeah, see, my buddy Roman right here. Or sorry, my buddy Gabe.
Please just
Okay, I'll just play. Revolver. Oh, I'm here. Whoa, this is tricky.
You're the ape.
Oh, that's a guy with the gun. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why I found. Oh! Monkey! What the?
Nope, you can't go that way. That is.
Okay.
You see, there's a lot of strategy with this game.
Yeah, there really. Ow! My strategy is. Ooh, what?
That's a light.
That's a light. Oh, I see. It's like the Maze Runner. Oh!
He just flew.
Oh! Well, okay.
Ooh.
All right. Ooh! Look at that. Ooh, what's that down there? Let's.
You're really speedrunning this.
I am. Look at this. Ooh! And now I'm doing the Michael Jackson plug walk. I meant
the Michael Jackson plug walk.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't like this game. It's not very family friendly. It says I'm dead, dude. I'm alive though.
No, you're not. You just got shot.
I'll take my anger out. Look, this is you. There you go.
It's not funny.
And it's a little funny. Come on, you gotta admit it was really funny. It was a well thought out joke.
No.
What?
It wasn't funny. I didn't find that funny.
I need to do the pacifist route.
Well, you have to ask him kindly to move.
Please move. Wow, okay, I'll move. I immediately went to just killing.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what? What? No! Don't kill me! What? Okay, that's fine. I can plug walk. Dude, this is. I almost made it!
You were so close.
Ah, okay. I am Monk E. Disc 1. What does that mean?
So each of the levels are on a disc. If that makes sense.
I see.
Once you finish it, it'll show you.
Okay. Okay.
But that, that's a spoiler, so.
Yeah, well, I don't want to spoil the fans, of course.
Yeah.
Look at that. The fans of Monkey.
Yep.
I'm just scooting around. Oh, I'm just scooting around, being a monkey.
Yes, you are.
Oh!
Oh my gosh! I thought you were gonna die there.
You. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. Sleep. What is that?
Heating up.
Heating up? Okay, I made it, then. That's freaking me out. Oh! Right click.
Oh.
Oh! Look at that. Oh. Oh! Yeah! Ow, ow, ow! Hi, friend. This is what's this guy's name? Jeremy. I'm taking Jeremy with me.
From Phineas and Ferb.
Yeah. No, don't shoot Jeremy! Yeah, that's what. No! No! For Jeremy.
How are you still alive? You got like 5 shots.
I don't know. For Jeremy. You're not Jeremy. No. You're not Jeremy either.
Oh,
No!
that
That was the perfect run. Wait, I have to still go on. Oh, so I go up. Okay. Do you think I'd be able to survive with Jeremy?
You can try.
Jeremy! You idiot! This game's really fun though. Ooh! Woo!
Okay.
Look at that! Look at that! And then you. Woo!
Oh my gosh.
Monkey! No one left behind. Get out of here.
Ooh, ah, ah.
Oh, ooh, really? Oh, what was that? That's what I thought. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, blow up now.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Ow, not. Oh! I didn't know they had that.
Well, he has it on the back.
Well, I mean, it wasn't. Oh, wasn't expecting him to throw it.
Well, maybe you should use that
They're
gamer intuition.
sleeping. Well, I didn't know they had, you know, actual projectiles in
Maybe if you
this game.
gamed a bit more.
Okay, I am. Look at that. This is the farthest I've made it.
Whoa!
Come with me! No! Okay. No, I should have brought Jeremy with me. Alright, I didn't need that. I didn't need that.
Knock, knock. It's me to your door at.
Oh, that's like when that guy broke into my house. Do this IT stuff for me. Alright, thanks. Thanks. Alright. No, I was just kidding. Oh! Didn't know they could walk in the door. Aw, you silly goose. Bye-bye. No, you can't leave me. Ugh. Does this work? Aha! Hi.
You can just push him along. Oh my.
Fine. Okay.
This is just like Captain America.
It is. Yeah, keep firing at me. Oh yeah, look at that. What are you guys? Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't want to play this game anymore. That guy, he didn't even shoot me. Yeah, I'll take it. Uh-oh. I need more.
Just keep throwing the limbs.
More ammo! Okay, I can win like this. No! Dude, this game is super unbalanced. I can't shoot him, can't kill them with the legs, but they can kill me with a gun.
It's not fair.
You know what? I'm just causing property damage just because of that. I bet there's a speedrun that's 100% glass shatter. Or something like that.
We should submit this as our speed run.
We should.
Oh my. Oh.
Oh,
That's
darn,
sad.
you don't. Oh wow. Yeah, it was a sad.
You weren't even close.
I know, that's a toughie. Dude, you're the bomb. Right? That one was good. That one, oh,
was good.
dude, you're. Oh, that one. I like that one. I like. Oh, take this. Take this, right? Hey, how you take this? Take. I don't know. Fix this computer virus. Yeah, that was good.
Me when I'm at the IT.
Now I want to make one of those really stupid ones, like a sped up version. It's like when mom doesn't buy me Apple. When mom doesn't give me iPhone. Me at the Apple store. Something like that.
Oh
No! Yeah, that's more like it. Oh, I keep. Uh-oh. Bruh, you guys messed up. Bruh.
no! These colors remind me of like Into the Spider-Verse.
They do, they really do.
It's like the red and the black. I kind of like it actually.
Like the high contrast. I like it, yeah.
You're
Let me
getting
out!
really far. I think the ending is like. There it is.
No! No! Are you serious?
Yeah, that was actually kind of funny. Cause you know, you got so far, but in the end, it
Didn't even matter. Oh, look at that. What are you gonna do? With no. Oh! Who is property and why is damage? Get out of here. Look at me. Look at this. This is speedrun. I gotta. Oh, they're
That's
cheaters.
On my way to your mom's house.
What? Oh!
Nice.
Beat the game.
Well, nope. That's
What?
the end of side
Oh.
A.